Hello and welcome back dear subscriber. Today in this video I am going to tell about 16 project based courses, and all the courses are free of cost. Even you can download the project and submit to your college, and you can also show your certificate, as well as you will get a lots of enhancement in your skill and get chance to learn the different technology. So must have you are in fourth year, third year, and you have no any project in your hand so far. So this is the big chance for you. You do learn this and you enroll this all courses, whatever favorite for you, and you do the project. In this course also included the login, e-learning portal, e-commerce website, mobile app development, game development like Snake, Cardboard. So there are a lots of projects I am going to share now, and you can watch what are the project there and go on that link and enroll the course. So I will provide all these link of this all project in the video description as well as in the comment section. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with your colleagues and friends. They are definitely going to appreciate you for sharing this free project courses, and you can get a lots of appreciation from your colleagues. And you can also join Telegram group of Deep Codec Guru. You can find link in video description. I used to provide a lot of educational stuff, and you will also get a lots of Coursera courses solution on my channel, including NPTEL many courses solution, and you also get a lot of information about the NPTEL courses and free online courses. So now guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So the first project course is basic HTML5 and CSS for beginners. So this is build one project. This is in HTML and CSS5. So now I am going to show you complete step for the first course. So sign up, and I will go sign up with the Google. Okay. So these all are the free courses, guys. So you do enroll this all projects, and whenever you will get time, you complete it. And you will get, this is the best thing, you are going to get the project certificate at the end while you complete it. And even you can download this and submit to your college like final year project or like mini project you can do. So this is great chance for you and make your resume strong. And these all courses are free of cost. So don't miss the chance, and also don't be the selfish. Do share this video with your all groups, colleagues and friends. So they will definitely appreciate it. So now you can see here what are the, please select, okay, you can select any two, okay, web development, and then after marketing. So based on your interest you do select. Okay, so this is the first step you have to go for. Set your goal. Okay, 30 hours. How much hour you want to spend? So I am going to put 10 hours. So like that, those all are the optional thing. You can go and select. Okay. Okay, so it is still loading. Okay, I signed up for, and this course enrollment is okay, done. This is 1 hour 20 minute left course, and I have to complete it. Okay, done. Now I am going to the second. So the second course is again from the web development, and this is learn bootstrap development by building 10 projects. So here you are going to build 10 projects, and this is 13.5 hour, means 13 hour 30 minutes course this is going to be, and there is 24 lectures, and you will get 10 mini project in this course. Okay guys, I am very sure that you are clear with this information and you will not miss the chance. And you will also enroll those all projects, whatever your favorite ones, and you will also subscribe my channel and join Telegram group. So these all are the courses I am sharing. This is the second course I enrolled. The third is going to be, okay, my system is a little bit hanging, so no worries, it may take a little time, so have a patience guys, and do subscribe my channel and join Telegram group for more free courses and free training and free project related courses. So this is to learn build a user login system using Node.js. So you can also do this. Node.js is very trending language in this year, so you can also learn this. Okay guys, and don't be selfish, do share this information with your colleagues, friends and all, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel so you will get all the update on the time. So this is the fourth course, learn to build a shopping cart using Node.js. So shopping cart e-commerce website you can create by learning this courses. So this is project, you are definitely going to do some project during this course. So this is the great chance for you to do the project and add some credit to your resume and make your resume more strong and better. And you will get a lots of educational stuff on my channel, and I also used to share the lots of the information on the Telegram group of Deep Codec Guru, so you can also join there. Okay guys, so now the fifth course is I am enrolling and showing you because you may later have complained that you didn't enroll and show me some period like that. Some of you may talk about. So I am enrolling all those and showing you. This is the fifth course, learn to build an e-learning website using Node.js. So this is third course in the Node.js, and these all are web development course only guys. So you are getting here lots of excellence platform and excellence courses, so you don't miss this chance and take this advantage of this opportunity. And in this lockdown definitely we have a lots of time, utilize it and complete it courses. There is just 10 hours per week you have to spend. You go and check all those details. This is the sixth course. Okay, so sixth course is you have to design a snake game from scratch, and this is in HTML5. So you are going to do one snake game what you used to learn play in the childhood. So this, I hope most of you have this game as a favorite while you watch the child one. So these all are the mini project, but you are definitely going to add something to your resume and make your resume different from your colleagues, friends and classmates, and your resume will be strong compared to others. Okay, so this is the sixth course, and now the seventh course is going to be, okay, so this is also a game, and this is also one type of web development course, and this is learn jQuery by making a TikTok toy game. So TikTok toy game is also very interesting game. While you was child, even I was a child, I used to go with this and play these all games. So I hope this game you will design and also you will entertain, and you will not feel like you are doing any project, and you will complete it. Okay, so I hope these all are going to be very useful to you. And now the eighth course. The eighth course is in Angular.js. So in Angular you have to, and this course also contains 10 projects. This is building 10 projects you have to build in this course, and this is on Angular.js. So Angular is also one of the very trending courses in this 21st. So you can also learn this course, and there is huge demand of Node.js, Angular.js. So these all courses having the huge demand in the future. So you better you learn these all courses and take the advantage of this lockdown COVID-19 situation and boost up yourself with your skill and enhance a lots of your skill using these all free courses. And you can complete definitely some projects. I hope you are at least going to complete 3 to 4 projects from this 16 project. And now the ninth course is learn to build a WordPress theme to corporate website. So I hope you are very aware that in this COVID-19 situation, most of the organization is running behind to move and jump into the digital world, because in this COVID-19 working physically is very difficult. So they want to go with the digital marketing and digital world. So for that the website is very essential, and to create the better website in the limited time, the WordPress theme is the very best way to go. So you must have the idea about how you can customize and build a WordPress theme. So definitely this is going to be very helpful to you. And now I think this is going to be 10th course. Let me count it: 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so the 10th course is now going to be mobile development. So earlier I was talking about all web development courses, and here I am talking about mobile development. And in this course you have to learn to build mobile game using Unity 3D. So now, as you know, there is a lots of the devices around 2/3 devices available, electrical devices available is the mobile phone one. So less people are using the laptops, desktop and other devices, and most people are using the mobile one, and mobile phone, cell phone, iPhone they are using. And even when people are using multiple mobile phone, so there is a lots of mobile phone, then of course the application must be the mobile. So the mobile development technology also you can learn mobile application development. So these all are the free of the cost project. So at least you try to complete 3 to 4 courses, and please don't forget to share this video with your colleagues and friends, and even subscribe my channels and join Telegram group. So you will get more advantage over there, and you can add a lots of stuff. And now going to be the 11th course. 11th course is again the game. So build a board game predictor using machine learning. So I think I need not to speak anything on the machine learning. I hope you are well aware about the machine learning. Even this day while you are typing, doing WhatsApp chat, Facebook chat, having the features of machine learning. So automatically while you are typing good, then automatically it suggests good morning. While you are typing nice, so then it is showing have a nice day, nice to meet you, like that they will suggest. So those all are application of the machine learning one. So this has also huge market in the future, and still it have nowadays also it have a lot of. So you can go and learn these courses. Now coming to the 12th number course. The 12th number course is again on the web development. So here you have to learn to build a Google Map app using Angular 2. So again this is web development and using Angular technology. So using Angular you have to develop and Google Map. So while you are designing any website, anything, then you have to specify the location, what are the service center, customer center. So those all you need to use the Google Maps and make those specifications. So you can learn this project based courses here. So this is, I think, 12th number course, right? Let me count: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Right, the 12th course. Now the 13th number course is going to be again web development and create a jQuery mobile app. So using jQuery, again you have to develop the mobile app, and this is not the mobile app development. This is one type of web development course, and this must be one type of mobile app. So mobile responsive, the website you are going to design here. Web development. So this is 13th course, and I hope you have already subscribed my channel and share this video with your colleagues and friends, and you are going to collect a lots of appreciation from your friend. Okay, so now I am going to the 14th number course, and the 14th number course is again from web development, and this is building web app online with _JS course. So this is also the building web app, and this is an online web app. So you will also get the chance to develop this. You learn this technology _JS course, and you can develop the some of your project your own. And this is just 4-hour course. And you can see here lifetime access. There is no limit. Once you enroll, there is lifetime access. Even if you are unable to complete this all project within this lockdown due to any exam, placement exam or college courses exam assignment, then you just enroll it and stay tuned. Whenever you feel that there is requirement to do the project, then you need not to pay that time any money to the other platform and organization, and you can just go to the Edonix website and you can go to this project courses, and you can just watch this, learn this, and develop your own project. Now coming to the 15th number course, this is mobile development. So here you have to build your first professional iOS application. So as you know, iOS is from iPhone. So iPhone, if you want the iPhone app, if you want to develop, then you can learn this course. And this is 3-hour course, just 3-hour course. So these all courses you can learn. This is all are the project based course. So you don't miss the chance, and you take advantage of this lockdown and free courses, and enhance your skill in this lockdown and get ready for the job. Okay. So these all are the free courses available for you. Once you enroll, the lifetime access will be available. And I hope you will definitely like my video and share this, and also you subscribe my channels and help your lots of friends, and you can collect a lots of appreciation from your friend. And now again the last course is on mobile development, and in this course you will learn to build a financial apps in iOS. So I shared all this video on web development, mobile app development, and also iOS app development. So this is just 2-hour course. So you just enroll and do complete at least 3 to 4 certification, and after completion you don't forget to come back to my video and again comment out how you got help from the video. So in future I will also try to come up with the different online free courses, project courses, internship courses, as well as Coursera assignment solution and help and tricks, as well as I will also come up with the different NPTEL courses about details, how you can get a star certificate from NPTEL, domain certificate from NPTEL, how can you enroll the best course from NPTEL platform. Those all video I have provided. You can just go on the playlist of Deep Coding Guru, namely NPTEL information, and you can watch those all, and you can also enroll the NPTEL course. NPTEL has the huge credibility in the market, as NPTEL has the exam, protected exam, and also NPTEL has AICTE approved credit course. So I hope you will get a lots of help from this course, and definitely you are going to share this video with your colleagues and friends and collect the appreciation. As well as I also hope that you have subscribed my channel and joined Telegram group of the Deep Coding. Please you all stay at home, stay safe, stay tuned with Deep Coding Guru, and stay learning. Have a good time.